Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Do I have an opportunity, an awesome boat available for you? This is a 2018 Everglades 243, their flagship boat for the Everglades company, okay? This boat is in a beautiful color. It's been well maintained, very well taken care of, kept here, dry stored in the marina in the barn, has a full cover that covers the entire boat. You'll see that it's powered with the Yamaha 300 horsepower 4-stroke motor. Notice here, it does have a power pole. You've got all the amenities you'll need for fishing. You have a cooler back here, you have your live well. What separates this boat from most 243 Everglades is this awesome upper station. You climb up here through the console, you climb up. It also has Garmin electronics up there so you can control your trim tabs, everything you control up here at the upper station. You're out there searching for that cobia and those fish you're looking for. As we hop down in here into the cockpit up here at the helm, you notice it has your 12-inch Garmin display, your Yamaha CL5 display, your Garmin VHF stereo, has a Fusion stereo, is equipped with a trolling motor. It's sitting right here in the boat. As we come up front, look at all the lounge seating in this 243 Everglades. Plenty of lounge seating for a day at the island, or if you want to take these cushions up, this can be an enormous casting deck. Got seating right here as well. But folks, this boat is available, and it's available at a very accessible price. So again, my name's Kenny Brown. It'd be my pleasure to show you this boat. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.